All right, guys, so I have my Roku here, and I want to give you some things to check if you're having issues with apps. Now, if your apps are just shutting down and you're going back to the home screen, there's two possible cases. One is an issue with the app, and two is an issue with the Roku system. If you're having multiple apps like Netflix, Prime, and Hulu, let's say that they both are continually crashing, more than likely you're going to have an issue with your Roku. Now, if Netflix is crashing continually, but Prime and Hulu are fine, you're going to have an issue with Netflix. The first thing we're going to do, no matter what, is clear the cache. To clear the cache on a Roku, there's actually a button sequence you have to press on the remote control. It'll also work on the mobile app as well. And it is home 5 times, up twice, then rewind twice, then fast forward twice. So let's try this. Let me put this up here so I remember it. Okay. Home 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once. Rewind twice. Then fast forward twice. Okay, so you see how this is kind of going crazy. Mine does that every time. It's going to take a second, and then it's going to restart the Roku. And that is the secret code to actually resetting a Roku device. Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice. Rewind is this button here. Fast forward twice. So this is going to reset here in a second. There it goes. Has turned the Roku completely off. Comes back on. And now should be reset. Okay. Now, if you're having issues with individual apps, we're going to want to reinstall that app, right? We're going to delete it and we're going to reinstall it. This will help remove those corrupt files, and then you'll get a fresh version back. And that's only if it's only a single app that is restarting. So for Netflix, we would hit the start button, and then we would click remove the app. And I'll remove it here. And then we would go to the search. So we type in our Netflix here, go down to the app, and it would add the app. We would enter our PIN. What is my PIN? Probably 0000. Cool. And now it's adding. So that app has been completely reset, tossed out all the bad, brought in all those fresh files, and should help with the restart or the crashing issue. Now, if it was multiple apps that are crashing, we have to go nuclear, which means we are going to factory reset the entire thing. So go to settings. In settings, we're going to scroll down to system. In system, we're going to go to advanced system settings, and then we'll do the factory reset here. Now, unfortunately, you're going to lose access to all your apps. You're going to have to re-input everything, all your passwords and stuff. But unfortunately, it's the only way to fix the corrupt files within the Roku. Actually, hold on. There's one other thing that we need to check before the factory reset, and that is for the software update. So you would just, in the same systems menu, go to software update, check now all software is up to date. Obviously, if you had an update, you would want to update it.